and I need 30 points, about 1,240, but it's still, I need quite a few points before I can start even thinking about running back up there to get the sickle, because the last thing I want to do with this many zombies on my right on my ass is to run up and get that sickle and end up just, ooh, no thank you. Wow, you're a speedy little bastard, aren't you? Oh, run. Run. Run, run, run as fast as you can. Alright, that's a kill. That's what I need. I can run around this guy. Oh, goodness gracious. I realize that's like my primary expletive in zombies and Call of Duty as a whole is, oh, goodness gracious. Oh, no, 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 no. That is not what we need. That is not what we need. And I can't even use these guns. Shoot, shoot. I am going to be boned as soon as I stand up. This is not good. This is not a good thing that is happening right now. Oh. All right. Oh, I thought that fall was going to kill me. Oh my gosh, sorry, I got so quiet for a minute. Yes, sickle time. It is time to invest in a sickle. And then I have to get as many kills as possible and try and get 1,000 points to open the Juggernog door. And, sorry, my computer started to die and I was freaking out thinking I lost that. Man, this is tough. This is really, really tough. Oh, yes, please. The only problem with the sickle is sometimes it does, is there someone over here? Sometimes it does that really awkward, like, lunge attack, which takes forever to recover from. Oh. I could just sit here. Nope, don't want the bomb. I get more points this way. Alright. Come on. Might as well take the 400 points, I guess. Whatever. Not a big deal. Gotta buy this door so I can run. Oh, crap. I keep thinking these doors are only 1,000 when they're 1,250. And Juggernaut is 2,500, I think. Alright. 1,900 puntos. No, that means periods, doesn't it? I don't know. 1,900 points until I can actually start trying to survive moderately well. At least the sickle's a one-hit kill. Nice. Nice. What? Golly, they would make sushi jokes. Oh, goodness gracious, I gotta get out of here. I gotta get it. Alright, I gotta spend the 500 points and just risk it with this revive, because I do not want to have gotten this far just to lose. It's funny. In any other game type, I never would have said this far on round 7. Nice. Nice! That's Juggernog. Dang it. That is not helpful. This is not helpful. Shoot! Shoot! Oh, dang it. Go away. Please. This is really, really hurting me. Golly, this thing is a curse. I can't even run. Alright, I can't knife into that horde right now. I'll die. You know, I'm not going to knife anyone else until I can get Juggernog. I don't want to risk it. This is the best I've done all day on this. I think the sickle is a one-hit kill until round 9? 9 or 10, maybe? I don't know. Alright. Yes, please. And the Sickle's one-hit kill on the monkeys, the first monkey round, I believe. And I think it's a two-hit kill on the monkeys, the second monkey round. Oh, you tried to Jackie Chan me, didn't you? You got nothing. You ain't Jackie Chan, baby. You ain't Jet Li, baby. Yeah, that sounds better. Because Jackie Chan's 3 syllables and Grizz is... Well, Grizz is 1 syllable, regardless. Whatever, doesn't matter. Stop analyzing it, Taylor. Alright, anyway. All the other zombie games I play are going to be like 6-part series. Okay. Oh, shoot. Oh, damn. I'm going to have to spend 750 points on that door downstairs to defend both of these. Oh, it's gone. Shoot, that was a waste. Oh, nothing. You got nothing. You damn dirty ape. Really? Oh, max ammo. Awesome. And sleight of hand. Man, these are 2 awesome perks to have when you're only knifing. Oh man, I guess the only perk that I really need would be I could use Dr. Flopper, but I'm not sure. I guess Dr. Flopper and the faster perk, the one that gives you a little bit of mobility. Once this scythe stops being a one-hit kill. Oh, what I gotta do is I gotta start trying the mystery box soon, seeing if I can get a ballistic knife and then combine it. Yeah, that'll work well. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh, you want some? There's plenty for all of you. Professional sushi cutter for the win. Oh, he would say that right after. That's hilarious. Oh, double points. Double points. Double points. Double points. Oh, this is so tasty and delicious. Oh, yum. Mmm. Oh, this is going really well. I am really happy with how this is going so far. Oh. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. 7,000 points. That means I can start trying a little bit more for the... Oh, shoot! Shoot, shoot, shoot. How do I have 15 headshots? I haven't shot. 15 head stabs. But, anyway, yeah. So, ballistic knife, if I can end up getting that in the mystery box, then combining this and... Whoa! And pack-a-punching it, that could work pretty well. Alright, round 10. Just 2-hit kill now. It's getting... Shit's getting real. Oh, Jackie Chan on me, will you? Alright, I'm gonna have to open this door so I can get a little bit more space between these guys. Shoot. Got him. Got you. Oh, someone jumping out of the ground. Oh, hoo, hoo. Jump. Whoa! That could have been a sticky situation. Wow, 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 wow. I'm sorry I'm being so quiet right now. I'm just so intense and trying to do well. Because this is the best I've done ever with whatever it is, knifing only. With grenades. Because grenades are the only thing that make it possible, to be honest. Like, yes, yes. Oh, yes, please. Oh, I'm not going to kill all those crawlers. That's a recipe for disaster! But I'll kill you. And I'll kill you, you little speed demon. Alright. Man, this is going really well so far, guys. I am happy with this. 164 kills, knifing only. Let me see if I can end up getting the Gerst device or anything that will help me on my quest to... to be honest, like, I really didn't expect I don't expect, rather, to get past level 11. Dang it. Well, might as well take it to make it speed up faster. Does this count? Yeah. Dang it. Ballistic knife blocks, or anything I can use. No, not helpful. Please, come on. Oh! I've never been so disappointed to get a ray gun. Alright, I'll take that. Nice, nice, nice. I really recommend you guys try this. It's frustrating, but it's rewarding if you can actually get started. Another one. Wonderful. Alright. Oh, this is so aggravating. Please, sir, give me a ballistic knife. Bolshevism. I'm gonna go link a couple of those flying devices. Oh my goodness. Didn't expect them to be there at all. Look at this, just the Brady Bunch crawling up the stairs. Alright, I think there's still that crawler way on the other side of the map. Coolio. That was a lot of points, like 1,600. Wish I could return Speed Cola for a full refund. Oh man. That's awesome. HS-10 for no reason. Hey look, a bear. It's a resilient little bastard. Alright. I mean, I really don't know why I'm even doing this, to be honest, because I can't even, I can't I can't upgrade, rather, my sickle unless I have the ballistic knife to attach to it, and so I'm really banking on that ballistic knife instead of this silly thing. And, I mean, my goodness, how bad is my luck that I get a ray gun? I mean, am I right or am I right? But seriously, let's get this show on the road. Alright, it's 2-hit knife kill now, which means I think I'm going to have to do that, like, run down there thing again. I don't know, though. This is new for me. I've never gotten to round 11 before on knifing only zombies. I guess what I could do is run that whole loop thing, and if I start to get in deep trouble, I could run back, split them up a bit, and then jump on this thing, teleport back, and kind of do the whole split them up and go for the alright, yeah, that'll work, whatever. Where is this final fellow? Owned. And after this, I'm going to try and get another crawler, and then